Why women are obsessed with high-value males. Hi guys, in this video we'll explore why women are obsessed with high-value males. These men possess universally attractive qualities like confidence, intelligence, ambition, and social status. Women may become obsessed with them due to the potential for a fulfilling relationship and a sense of security. However, the reasons behind this obsession are complex and multifaceted, and we'll delve deeper to understand the psychology behind it. They're 100% authentic. Imagine a world where dating is like a game of treasure hunt and everyone is searching for that elusive, high-value male who's considered to be the ultimate prize. Women are on a quest to find someone who's not just genuine, but also has the desirable traits that make them stand out from the crowd. They want someone authentic in every way, a true gem among the masses. But what makes these high-value males so fascinating to women? It's not just about their authenticity, but also the whole package they bring to the table. They're the ones who have it all: the confidence, the charm, the intelligence, the humor, and the ambition. They're like the rarest of gemstones, coveted and cherished by those who seek them. In this dating game, women are captivated by the allure of high-value males because they're like a breath of fresh air in a world where superficiality often prevails. These men are not just genuine, but they also possess qualities that are highly valued in a partner. They are the real deal, someone who is true to themselves and others, and who exude authenticity in every aspect of their life. Women are drawn to high-value males because they represent a standard of excellence, someone who's achieved a level of success and distinction that's hard to ignore. They're like a beacon of inspiration, setting the bar high and pushing others to strive for their best. Women are not just obsessed with them, but they're genuinely intrigued and attracted to their multifaceted personalities and the unique qualities that make them stand out. They're clever and witty. Ever wondered why some people, regardless of their gender, seem to be drawn to partners who are clever and witty? You know, the kind of person who can effortlessly crack a joke or engage in witty banter that leaves you in awe? Well, it turns out that many people, including women, appreciate intelligence and humor in their partners for a variety of reasons. First off, cleverness and wit can be incredibly attractive because they showcase a person's mental agility and quick thinking. Someone who can come up with clever remarks or witty comebacks demonstrates their intelligence and ability to think on their feet, which can be intriguing and appealing to others. It's like a mental dance where each person tries to outwit the other playfully and enjoyably. Second, humor is a powerful social lubricant. Laughter and shared humor can create a strong sense of connection and bonding between individuals. When someone can make us laugh, it creates positive emotions and a sense of enjoyment in their presence. It can also signal that the person has a light-hearted and fun-loving personality, which can be appealing in a relationship. Furthermore, cleverness and wit can also indicate a person's communication skills. Someone clever and witty often has a knack for using words effectively, which can make conversations engaging and enjoyable. They may be able to keep conversations interesting and stimulating, which can foster a deeper connection and intellectual compatibility. They tap into their feminine energy. Why do women find men who tap into their feminine energy attractive? Well, maybe it's because they know that a man who is comfortable with his emotions is less likely to cry during a romantic movie than they are. But in all seriousness, there's something undeniably attractive about a man who's in touch with his softer side. A man who's not afraid to show vulnerability and express his emotions can be a refreshing change from the typical macho man stereotype. Plus, he might just be the one who knows how to comfort you when you're feeling down and make you laugh when you need it the most. Let's face it, being with someone who's constantly trying to prove their masculinity can be exhausting, so it's nice to find a partner who's secure in themselves and doesn't feel the need to conform to traditional gender roles all the time. A man who can tap into his feminine energy can be the perfect balance of strength and sensitivity. Of course, not all women are attracted to men who tap into their feminine energy, and that's okay. We all have our preferences when it comes to partners. The most important thing is to find someone who makes you happy, whether they're a rough and tumble, manly man or a sensitive and caring softie. After all, we just want someone who'll be there for us, making us laugh and love us for who we are. And let's embrace our feminine and masculine energies and find that special someone who complements us perfectly. They know how to remain a mystery. Let's dive into the intriguing world of relationships and the allure of mystery. Imagine a dark, smoky room with a figure shrouded in mystery. Who is this enigmatic person that has everyone's attention? It's the high-value male, the one who seems to have unlocked the secret to keeping women guessing. There's just something irresistible about his allure, and women are drawn to him like moths to a flame. But what's the secret behind his magnetic charm? Some may say it's because he understands the art of remaining a mystery. He knows how to leave women intrigued with just the right amount of information to keep them guessing. He's not an open book, and that air of mystery is intoxicating. It's as if he holds the key to a treasure trove of hidden depths that only a select few can unlock. It's no wonder some may think women are obsessed with high-value males who remain a mystery. After all, who wouldn't be captivated by the enigmatic allure of a person who seems to have figured it all out? It's like trying to solve a puzzle or uncover a secret, and the challenge makes it more thrilling. But here's the catch. Relationships are not about playing games or intentionally trying to remain a mystery. Authenticity, trust, and open communication are the foundations of healthy and fulfilling relationships. While a bit of mystery can be intriguing, genuine connections are built on mutual understanding, emotional intimacy, and shared experiences. They make themselves memorable. What is it about these high-value males that makes them so memorable? Is it their looks, their wealth, their status? Well, these factors certainly play a role. They're not the only things that make someone stand out, though. One key factor is personality. High-value males often possess a combination of confidence, humor, and charm that draws a woman in and makes them want to be around them. They're comfortable in their skin and radiate a sense of self-assuredness that's hard to resist. Another important factor is ambition. Many high-value males are driven by a sense of purpose and a desire to achieve their goals, whether it's in their career, their personal life, or their hobbies. This ambition can be incredibly attractive as it demonstrates a level of determination and focus that's inspiring to others. In any case, the idea of being memorable and attractive is something that most women can relate to. Whether you're looking for love, trying to make new friends, or simply hoping to make a good impression at a job interview, the ability to stand out from the crowd can be a valuable asset. So what are you waiting for? Start working on your charisma, ambition, and overall cool factor and see how far it can take you with the woman you desire. They know how to challenge women. There's something undeniably attractive about a man who's smart, confident, and can hold his own in a debate. It shows that he's not afraid to speak his mind and that he's got some serious brain power. Plus, when a man challenges a woman, it can create some serious sexual tension. Who doesn't love a good intellectual debate? But here's the thing. Women don't just want a man who can argue with them. They want a man who can positively challenge them. Someone who can push them out of their comfort zone, broaden their horizons, and encourage them to grow. It's not about winning an argument, but about engaging in a stimulating conversation that can make both parties think. When a man can challenge a woman constructively and respectively, it can create a deep sense of connection and respect. It shows that he's not intimidated by her intelligence or her strength, but rather he's turned on by it. It also means that he values her opinion and sees her as an equal partner. So if you want to attract a woman who's smart, confident, and independent, it may be worth brushing up on your debate skills. Just remember to keep it positive, respectful, and constructive as a high-value man. And who knows, you might just find yourself in a serious intellectual flirtation. They're financially stable. Who doesn't love a little financial stability? You know what they say, money can't buy happiness, but it can buy a pretty nice first date. Kidding aside, financial stability can be a practical consideration for many women when choosing a partner. After all, it's hard to plan for a future together if you can't make rent or afford groceries. But let's not forget that other more intangible qualities can make a man attractive to a woman. For example, a good sense of humor can go a long way in making a woman feel comfortable and connected to her partner. After all, who doesn't love a man who can make her laugh? And let's not forget about empathy and kindness. These are qualities that can truly make a man stand out from the crowd. A man who's willing to listen, support, and be there for his partner can be incredibly attractive. At the end of the day, financial stability can be a plus, but it's not the be-all and end-all. The most important thing is to find a partner who you can connect with on multiple levels, including emotionally, intellectual, and yes, even financially. So ladies, when you're out there looking for your Prince Charming, remember to keep an open mind and a sense of humor. And guys, keep working hard, keep saving, and keep making us laugh. To wrap it up, kindly click the like button if you liked the video, subscribe and smash the notification bell for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.